The Create Asset feature is just one way to build out the site asset list before technicians arrive on site. In this demo, we have our blank site. Let's assume we're importing a paper record of a site asset list that we've already collected or has been sent through by the client. On the site page, find the asset list and click Create Assets to open a new page where you can individually enter asset details using the provided input fields. It's easiest to work left to right, enter the required fields for your asset type and click the plus button to create each asset. For our site, let's start by entering the panel, as this is required to link connected assets like smoke detectors or call points. For the location, keep descriptions concise, ideally 2 or 3 words for easy identification. It is possible to add multiple fire panels and their connected assets in one go. Let's now add a smoke detector and make sure to select our addressable panel from the drop-down. Location or loop and address are required fields for addressable panel assets. Next, I'll go ahead and add a few more assets. I'll add a couple more detectors and a call point, making sure to enter the location, loop, address and zone each time. The more information added to assets makes it easier to identify and filter them when it comes to testing. Lastly, we'll add emergency lighting. Because this is a non-panel asset, we don't need to connect our panel, but location is required for all non-panel assets. To delete an asset, click the trash icon at any time. Click Finish to finalize, then find your assets added to the site asset list. There you have it. Our assets are created and our technicians can arrive on site and get testing immediately. Thanks for watching.